Cipher Browser is a robust, feature-packed cryptocurrency wallet that also serves as a decentralized app (dApp) browser, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. It supports Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, providing a secure and seamless way to manage your crypto assets and interact with the blockchain ecosystem. Once you launch Cipher Browser, you'll notice its sleek, intuitive interface, which is designed to make navigation straightforward and efficient. After creating or importing a wallet, you can easily view your assets and transaction history. The wallet's security features include encryption and private key control, ensuring that you remain the sole custodian of your funds. Additionally, it allows you to connect with various dApps directly, enabling smooth interactions without switching platforms. One standout feature is the ability to explore decentralized applications effortlessly. From DeFi platforms to NFT marketplaces, Cipher Browser acts as a gateway to the decentralized world. It integrates a Web3 browser, which means you can access and use blockchain-based apps with ease, directly from the wallet interface. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Another major advantage of Cipher Browser is its transaction management tools. The wallet supports detailed transaction tracking, allowing you to confirm details before sending. With its gas fee adjustment feature, users can optimize costs, a critical advantage during periods of network congestion. You could also back up your wallet securely using the provided seed phrase, which is crucial for restoring your wallet in case of device loss or failure. Beyond basic wallet functions, Cipher Browser offers integration with Ethereum testnets, making it a fantastic tool for developers testing their blockchain applications. This feature highlights the wallet's flexibility and utility across user types. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button for more crypto wallet reviews and tutorials.